Apollo for Harding Berhad produced compound chocolate confectionery product and layers cake. Apollo product mainly divide into two main categories, which are chocolate flavor wafer and Swiss roll product. Apollo product are distributed in Malaysia and other overseas markets such as Singapore, Indonesia and Thailand and so on, as leading manufacturer of chocolate confectionery product and layers cake industry in Malaysia. The company sell its product wholesale to all Malaysian retailers. These products are available in the supermarket or hypermarket snack section and also available in grocery store. Oriental Food Industry Holdings Berhad was established as a public limited company in Malaysia on 8 June 1996. Oriental Food Industry has developed a reputation for itself in Malaysia's snack food and confectionery manufacturing industry as one of the industry leading companies. Snack food, wafer, potato snack, biscuit and bakery products are the five broad categories of Oriental food products. The company product brand names such as Super Rich, Jacker and Oriental are currently well known. Oriental food industry in Malaysia focus on a variety of consumers from teenagers to working adults. Aside from Malaysian market, Oriental food industry distributed its product in over 16 countries worldwide to the same demographic consumer.
The first one is liquidity. In 2019, Apollo has 13 ringgit and 60 cent in quick assets for every 1 ringgit in current liabilities, but is slightly less liquid compared to what it has in 2020, which is 14 ringgit and 30 cents. While for Oriental, the company's asset test ratio has increased by 73 cents from 2019 to 2020. Now we can see that Apollo is doing better than Oriental in covering current liabilities with current assets, because Apollo's asset test ratio is higher than Oriental's for both years, 2019 and 2020. The next one is operating profitability. Both companies were not managing their cost of goods sold and operating expenses effectively in 2020 because their profit margins decreased compared to 2019. In 2019, Apollo's profit margin is 12.5%. But in 2020, it is 11.4%. As for Oriental, in 2019, its profit margin is 6.47%, while in 2020, it is 4.76%. The difference in profit margin for both years for Apollo is 1.1%, while for Oriental it is 1.7%. This shows that the manager of Apollo managed the company better than Oriental because the decrease in profit for Apollo is less than Oriental's. Next, financing decisions. In 2019, Apollo financed 7.98% of its assets by debt compared to 2020, when Apollo financed 7.69%. In 2019, Oriental financed 2.62% of its assets by debt compared to 2020, when Oriental financed 2.16%. It is a good thing because it shows a decrease in the amount of assets that they have to sell to pay off all of their liabilities from 2019 to 2020. However, Oriental is better than Apollo because Oriental will have to sell fewer assets than Apollo to pay off its liabilities. The last one is return on equity. In 2019, Apollo received a 7.11% return on common stockholders' investment, which is higher than it received in 2020, which was 5.85%. As for Oriental, the company received a 7.5% return on common stockholders' investment in 2019, which is higher than it received in 2020, which was 5.14%. Both companies shown a decrease in their return on equity in 2020. However, Apollo is better than Oriental because its return on equity gap from the years 2019 to 2020 is lower. Apollo with 1.26% difference and Oriental with 2.36% difference. Overall, based on the financial analysis of both companies, Apollo seems to operate and manage its company better than Oriental.
The way Apollo and Oriental organization better capitalize on non-financial factor is human resources management. Human resources management is important in one organization to improve the productivity and quality of the company performance. Both Apollo and Oriental provide bonuses for their employees that perform well based on the tasks given to them. This initiative will motivate their workers to perform better during their work time and thereby increase the productivity of the company's production. The most significant internal risk to the Apollo and Oriental financial performance is physical risk. Physical risk is the loss of or damage to the assets of company. Apollo and Oriental may face loss of inventories or stock that are damaged due to fire or any natural disaster such as a flood. As a result, both companies may face minor or severe losses.
Financial liquidity is a type of financial ratio used to determine a company's ability to pay its short-term debts obligation. From liquidity aspect, after we have compute the liquidity ratio for both company, we can see that Oriental will have some problem meeting in short-term obligation in the future. The company will also have difficulty meeting current obligation if this problem keep continuing. And at the end, Oriental may struggle to pay short-term obligation. Okay, for the last part, I would like to make a recommendation for Oriental company. For their liquidity, Oriental should take a look at accounts receivable and payable to improve at liquidity ratio in the long term. Oriental has to make sure that they are invoicing customer as quickly as possible and they are paying on time. It is because longer pay cycle are more beneficial to a company that is trying to improve its liquidity.